take the money. That's first. Always first. Money.
Ben Boy's here.
Yes, sir.
Here with Cola.
We're just gonna take the order, see what's missing, see what we need to get from the truck, come back, fill it up. Start with the Coke machine. Coke, a lot of Coke, Sprite, and a lot of Coke and Sprite. So we take the money, that's first, always first, take the money. Rule number one. Gotta refill the coin mechs. Make sure they have a substantial amount of coins in there so they can dispense change. Without that, the machine won't operate. Big bag of quarters.
Gotta have a big bag.
It's like an arcade. Oh, that's stupid. These don't even stay on, bro. Why would you make it
So we're coming up on 2 more locations.
We'll do a second page.
Location has 150 employees, and we're able to get a little piece of all of that. Anytime they buy a drink, anytime they get a snack, I get a little piece of all of that. One of the things that I focus on in my business model is service. So I think a lot of people just worry about money, 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 but the more people that I serve, the more money that the Vend Boys is gonna make. So we're really focused on service. So I'm gonna make him do his work, I'm gonna do my video work. Vend Boys. As he writes on the clipboard, what you're seeing is we have to take inventory of what everything's needed, because you can't just remember like, oh, you need 17 colors, so much stuff. So what he does is we go to each machine, we take inventory, then we have a truck that's full of snacks. We take all those snacks and fill up the machines, take the money and repeat, you know, damn near daily. Money, man. Okay. This is the truck. Where the snacks be. So I'm about to help. Get off this damn camera.
It's all good. Oh no.
there's ever a zombie apocalypse, I know where I'm going.
Be good for a while.
Hell yeah. Be good for a cool minute. Especially, it's all space food. This shit lasts forever.
Yeah. Rice Krispies.
Be good for a cool year. So we just checked off our list. And now we're about to load it all up. We put everything in these bins. Fill these bins. That's what's in the bins. And we go and load up the vending machine.
Restocking.